Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to stop follow request on Instagram. So let's get started real quick. First of all, let me just mention you that in this video I will show you 2 or 3 settings to stop the follow request on your Instagram. And also you need to know that you cannot actually fully stop the follow request on Instagram, but you can change up some of the settings to minimize the follow requests. So in the first thing, what you need to do, you need to go to your Instagram and then tap on the profile icon on the bottom. Go to the profile. Click on the 3 dots to open up the settings, then go to the notifications and then scroll it down until you find the following and followers. Go to that section right over here. Now what you need to do, you need to turn the notifications of the follow request turned off and also these things off, and also account suggestion will be turned off. After doing this thing, you have already done the first step. For the next step, you need to go to your Instagram account in any kind of browser and you need to sign up the Instagram account in your browser. Alright, after that you need to turn on the desktop site like this. Then go to your profile. As you can see, here is my profile on the left. Just tap on the profile and then you need to go to the edit profile. And as you can see, we have an option called show account suggestion on profile. You need to untick this option, which will allow you not showing your account towards others in the newsfeed. So that's also a way to stop the follow request or minimize the follow request until someone searches your account with the username. Also, what you can do is stop commenting on the public profiles or minimize the comments on the public profiles where you can get trouble with the spammers. So that is for today. And share your thoughts on the comment if this video works or not. Have a great day.